Hi, this is Charles from Harvard USA. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to compile Yocto image in Amazon EC2. The Yocto image that I'm going to be creating is for the HIO-EMB 1200 Freescale IMX6 dual-core. This one has a 1 GHz of processors, 64-bit, 1 GB of SD-RAM, and 4 GB of flash storage. The HIO board is used within the 3.5-inch Wallpad. This one is powered up to the Ethernet, and we have the core board over here. The second one gonna be the 10-inch panel PC, and the HIO board is also used within the device. Amazon EC2 is basically a virtual machine that's on the cloud with different setup of CPU, memory, and storage. So sometimes when we're compiling the Yocto image, it's gonna take several hours, but for Amazon EC2, it can boot up the compiling process. It's also flexible in terms that you can delete, create, and stop the virtual machine anytime. It's very efficient. The image that you have set up can be shared to many users, and wherever you have the internet, you can access Amazon EC2. To get started on the Amazon EC2, please go to aws.amazon.com/EC2. In here, you can sign up or sign in for the Amazon account. After you have logged in into the Amazon EC2, you will see some interface like this. So click on EC2 and then click on instances. Over here, I have a couple of instances. To create an instance, you click on launch. So they have something called the Amazon machine image. For the Yocto image, I'm gonna choose the Ubuntu. Over here, they have several type of instances to choose. It varies from the type of CPU and the memory. For configuration, I'm gonna choose the T2 macro, the 1-core CPU. And for compiling, usually I choose the 36 core. But for this example, we're gonna choose the T2 macro. Click on next. Choose the subnet or change it to default. I'm gonna use US West 2A. And then for storage, put 30 because that's the maximum for feature. And then tag instant. Next, review and launch, and then click launch. Over here, you can choose an existing K pair or make a new one. After that, accept the license and then launch instance. The 30 GB for the image is free, but then you can create the volume over here. So you can click on create volume and choose the size, the availability zone, which is the subnet, and then click create. Also, something about AMI. If you want to share your image to other people, you can create an image. And then for this image, they will have the same setup as the virtual machine that you have. To connect to the virtual machine, you click on one of the instances and then click connect, copy, and then in the Linux terminal, paste it, sudo. This file is the key file and it's stored in my home folder, so I don't need to change the path. Change the username to Ubuntu. Yes. And you have logged into the Amazon instance server. For more information, you can visit wiki.hioproject.org. Thank you.